How to add a CNAME record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Domain section, click on the Zone Editor icon. Under Actions, click on the CNAME Record button for the respective domain. In the Name field, enter the domain name. For example, www.engagebranding.com. In the CNAME field, enter the CNAME. For example, engagebranding.com. Click on the Add a CNAME Record button. That's it. You have successfully added a CNAME record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.